Thank you very much, and thank you, Assistant Director Rodela Romero. Good afternoon, distinguished guests, colleagues, and partners. Over the past year, our team has been studying or looking into how natural gas can support a more secure and sustainable energy future for the Philippines. And we, as mentioned by Assistant Director Del, we focused on Batangas. Our focus of the studies have been Batangas. Because it's a province that plays a key role in the country's energy and industrial landscape. Today we are proud to present the findings from two studies. So there are two studies that we conducted under this phase of the program. The first one is a natural gas demand and feasibility study. Okay? This maps out the demand among economic zones, particularly of course, in Batangas. Those locators, and we explored practical opportunities for fuel conversion and infrastructure development in those areas. And then that's the first one. The second one, the second research study, is the life cycle assessment of natural gas applications. Okay? In here, we examined the environmental implications of natural gas, its use, and we offer insights into how it can support cleaner energy pathways. Okay? So the key findings, although we focused on in Batangas, but the key findings of the studies are far-reaching actually. So they not only shed light on Batangas' potential, but also offer a useful lens for understanding how natural gas can contribute to a balanced energy mix elsewhere in the country, so not just in Batangas. Okay? So these insights can serve as a starting point for shaping broader strategies around LNG development. Our intention today is not just to share findings, okay, but also to engage. So I'm so happy to see the players in the natural gas industry welcome. So we hope that this seminar will provide a platform for exchange where questions are asked. So pakisulat na lang po yung mga questions ninyo para mamaya. Okay, so questions asked, assumptions are tested, and new ideas can be sparked. Okay, the strength of this work lies not only in the data, but in the dialogue that it inspires. As a final note, I'd like to echo Assistant Director Romero's earlier thanks and express our gratitude to our partners as well. We are deeply grateful to the Economic Research Institute for ASEAN and East Asia, that's ERIA, for their generous support, without which these studies would not have been possible. Okay, we are also grateful to the Department of Energy, our partners here, specifically the Oil Industry Management Bureau and the Natural Gas Management Division. Okay, because of their technical contributions and they help direct the way that the study will go. Okay? Our thanks also go to the Philippine Economic Zone Authority, or PEZA, for their assistance in facilitating the survey work in Batangas. Okay? Napakalaking tulong po ng kanilang response to our survey. And to our partners at JERA, of course, we have representatives here with us for their valuable technical insights which enrich the analysis and overall relevance of the study. So once again, thank you for being part of the seminar. We look forward to hearing your insights and to continuing the LNG discourse that moves us toward more informed, more inclusive, and sustainable energy decisions. Thank you very much and good afternoon.